Hello, my name is Ruth Carter, and I'm a licensed attorney in Arizona. And this is your question of the day. So, somebody asked me, how can I test a website for copyright infringements? Okay. I suspect what this person's asking is is there an app or a website that I can put in the URL from my website and run and just hit run and have it scan everything and tell me if anything on my site is infringing on someone else's work or matches something on someone else's site. And it would be awesome if something like that existed. To my knowledge, it doesn't. So when it comes to selecting photographs and writing content, you have to be diligent about where you're getting your source material. And if it's something that you're not creating yourself, that you are pulling from sites and sources that give you permission to use. So this is why I use Creative Commons for my images. Some people also purchase licenses from sites like iStock or Getty. And if you are afraid that someone may be stealing your content, you can set up a Google alert for phrases that you think people are going to steal from some of your best content, and that'll run on a daily basis, and it'll let you know if there's ever a match. There are other sites that do similar services. Some are free, some you got to pay for. From what I've seen, there is no similar option for photos. You have to actually go into Google reverse image search and manually check it each time that you're worried that someone's copying it. You can't set up a Google alert on an image. Sorry. But unfortunately, there is no software similar to what people use when they turn in papers at university, where it runs it through a plagiarism screening system. I've yet to see something like that for websites. So I wish it were. I wouldn't be surprised if something like that comes into existence in the future. But even then, it would only show you if there's matches to what's out there. It wouldn't necessarily tell you if something is infringing, because that's really something for the court to decide. And just because something's a match doesn't necessarily mean that it was copied. With photos, more likely, but especially not with verbiage. So I hope this answers your question. I wish this type of technology existed. I suspect it might exist in the future or something like it. But for what I can tell, what I've seen, what I've heard, it doesn't exist yet. So always be very diligent about where you're getting your information and images from. So I hope this has been helpful for you. If you have a question you want me to answer in an upcoming video, feel free to leave it below, shoot me an email. Please subscribe to the channel. I put out new content every week. And I think that's all I have for now. So I will catch up with you later. Take care.